Today we're going to be replacing the fog light bulbs, and they are an 881, that's the part number. I'll put a link in the description below for these. At AutoZone, these were like $16.49, $16.99. I ended up getting them from Advance for $12 and some change. They are kind of hard to find, and if you search the internet, a lot of LED options come up. So, you know, maybe if you want to upgrade, that's an option for you. I'll have LED and also a link to these in the description. So we're going to go ahead and jump under the car, and I'll show you how to access the fog light bulbs and the wiring. Okay, here we are on the driver's side. Right in here is where the fog light is, but we have this plastic piece that's kind of in our way. This car's been, it's had a rough life, and so you might actually have more clips to remove, but I'm going to show you how to remove this style clip, and then we'll get into changing the light bulb. Alright, so it has a Phillips head on it, and you just turn it counterclockwise, just like you would a regular screw. And sometimes these kind of strip out, or they don't grab when you're trying to loosen them. So you can put some tension with a pry tool like this, and then that'll give it traction and actually allow it to back out. But we're in good shape here. Now I'm going to do this one-handed. Hopefully you can see everything that's going on. I'll pull it out when I'm done so you can see. But there's a tab here that my thumb's on, and on the opposite side there's a tab, and we just squeeze those, pull down. There you go. And you have to have this undone, otherwise you'll hit this tab right here and it won't allow you to remove the bulb. We'll get this wire out of the way. So at this point here, we can twist the bulb and pull the whole bulb out. Now I do recommend, especially at this step, when we go to open this bulb, this is a halogen bulb, and any halogen bulb, when you get oils from your finger on this part right here, as soon as you put power to it, it can blow the bulb. I'm gonna go ahead and open the bulb. Still, even though I have gloves on, I'm trying not to touch the bulb at all. Alright, so here is the new bulb. And remember, when we took this out, we turned it. So we're going to try to put it back in, oriented, you know, a little askew. So right there is where it falls into its tabs. And then push it down, and now we can plug this back in, and it will only go one way. There's a slit here, so that's it for the driver's side. You just push this back up in place just like that. Like I said, your car may have more of these clips. Okay. So that's it for the driver's side, and we'll switch over to the passenger side. So this side, we don't have that little splash shield. So this is a whole lot easier. We're going to, like I said, squeeze these tabs. So there's a tab here, and then on the other side. So squeeze, pull down, and just like on the other side, I showed you that little nub. If this was still plugged in and we tried to turn this, it wouldn't turn. So alright, got the old bulb out. like I said, this car's had a rough life, but we needed to get these fog lights working, and we should be successful. So now we're going to test the fog lights, and then I'll turn all the lights on and we'll see what it looks like. Alright, so this 2009 Hyundai Elantra is starting to come around. In the previous video, I showed how to change the headlight bulbs. I also showed how to change the whole headlight assembly. So if that's something that you want to do, look through the playlist for the 2009 Hyundai Elantra. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below, and I hope this at least was a helpful video for you. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in another video.